How can I keep all of my communications in one place? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new email in Gmail and turning that into a new task in Google Tasks. All right, let's build a workflow. We're going to start here at the Workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be new email to task. And I'm going to click inside of my trigger box, and I'm going to select Gmail as my triggering app, and the event is going to be new email trigger. Click continue. I'm going to make sure I'm connected to my Gmail account, and I'm going to test this trigger. So I can see I received a new email, and I can use this to build my workflow. So I'm going to click continue. And for my action, I'm going to use Google Tasks. And we are going to create a task. Make sure we're connected to that. The task list I want to put this task onto is my funsies task list. The title I'm going to import from my trigger. So the subject of my email will be the title of my task, balloon duty. The notes will be the message from that email, inflate balloons and inspect balloon knots, although I spelled balloon incorrectly. And the due date will be the date this email was sent, although I'm noticing now that this is not formatted correctly. So I'm going to have to use one of our tools by Workload in order to format the date. So I'm going to click this plus sign in the middle of our workflow. I'm going to add a step. Click inside of that new box and click on the tools icon. Now I'm going to select the AI formatter by Workload. We're going to format the data. The input data is going to come from that trigger. It's going to be the date. And I'm going to tell it the format that Google Tasks wants. So I'm going to copy this format and then come back over to the AI formatter and come down to the action step. Reformat date into, and I'm going to paste in that format. Click continue, and we're going to test the action. So now we have that date reformatted in the style that Google Tasks wants. So I can click continue, come back down to my third step of my workflow, and then jump down to the fourth step of this task. Delete this date, and then come down to step 2 and put in that formatted date. Now I can click continue, and I can test this action. And now we have a success. So I can click continue on my workflow and then come over to Google Tasks. And I can just see balloon duty popped up on my task list. So I can come back over to the workload editor. I have a green dot in all 3 of my nodes. So I can turn on this trigger to activate it. And now every time I receive a new email in Gmail, that information will be formatted into the correct format and then turned into a task in Google Tasks. That's how you can use Workload to integrate new emails in Gmail with new tasks in Google Tasks. Please like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload. about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.